What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I have to apologize for if I look like I'm tired. I'm not normally used to, I don't normally record videos this late at night. It's around 11 o'clock at night, but I want to make this video because I got something in the mail that I've been actually looking forward to actually getting an unboxing, and I waited for about a week to get it. So I'm going to talk really quick about what it is and where I got it from. So I got this package from B&H. So this is my new microphone for my Sony a6400 and my Sony ZV-1, and actually I might actually use this as an actual mic for my PC. So what this is in this box is the new Rode VideoMic GO II. So we're going to get into an unboxing of this, and then just kind of talk a little bit about it, because I've actually seen reviews on this, and been looking forward to getting one, but they were actually sold out at B&H. And so now that I got it, so we're going to go into the unboxing of this now. This is the new Rode GO II, VideoMic GO II. Now this is similar to the first one. Price-wise, they're identical. The first VideoMic GO was about $100, so this was equally $100, but there are some differences between the two. Unfortunately, I no longer have that one. I actually got rid of it, and I'm using a Takstar, but actually I'm getting rid of that because I'm going to be using this because it is a smaller form factor for a shotgun mic. So I'm going to show you my Takstar and then put it kind of side by side. So this is my Takstar. So as you can see, that is a rather large mic, shotgun mic. Here is the Rode mic. As you can see, even from the picture wise, this is significantly smaller than the Takstar. So this is what I usually will use on my a6400 and even use it on my Sony ZV-1. As you can see, they're both, at least for the ZV-1, it's a rather compact camera, so something like this would be too big, where something like the Rode VideoMic GO II will be perfectly fine, and I can still also use the Rode wireless mics if I want to use those on either my a6400 or the Sony ZV-1. And even on my a6400, it's actually still too big for the camera. I don't particularly like rather large shotgun mics. The Rode GO I'm going to be saying that messed up all the time. The VideoMic GO was actually the perfect size for my a6400, but as I said before, I no longer have that. But I do love the Rode mic product line, and I'm not saying that this, so I can, try to get you to buy it. I truly do love the Rode wireless, or the Rode products. I have this now. I have the Rode wireless mic GO, the first gen, and then I have the second gen, and they're just amazing products. So not only can you just use this on a camera, but you can also use this on your PC or your Mac, and it can be used as an external microphone for, like, say, Twitch streaming, or for Facebook Live, or for any type of live meetings or live type of things that you would normally do in terms of just, Zoom meetings, things of that nature. So we're just going to pop this box open, and then we're going to see what you get with it. So as you can see, highly directional. It's got a 3.5 millimeter plug-in, so you can use that to plug into your camera or into an audio input, whether it's in your PC or Mac. It has a digital USB out for that, and it is Android and iPhone capable, so you will have probably some sort of a adapter that you can use this on. But we'll pop it open, and we're actually going to see what comes with it. So obviously register these. I always register all my devices no matter who makes it, because you never know, something could happen to it within the first 2 years, or even within the first year, and then you end up having to buy a new one. And then if you can't find a new one, you kind of got to buy something separate. But I always register everything, so that's kind of cool. So let's see what here. So this is the little handle, as you can see right here, and it does come, obviously, cold shoe mount, so you simply just screw this onto your cold shoe and do that, or a tripod, and use it as an external mic. And then here is the mic itself. So this is just a little wind tunnel, or the dead cat, I guess is what you want to call it. That's what I call it. This is the mic itself. As you can see, USB powered as well, so you can probably plug this into USB port either to use it as an external mic on your PC or your Mac. You also can use this as another external mic for, like, plugging in your Wireless Go headset, whether it's your Rode Wireless Go or your Rode Wireless Go II, and pretty solid. So I'm gonna pop that over, and wonder what that is. I don't think that's anything. Okay, so well, we'll find out what that is in a second. Looks like you get a cord. This is going to be your simple 3.5 millimeter plug-in. This is what you would use to plug into your camera or your iPhone or Android device. And if you have an iPhone, you would need a Lightning to Lightning to 3.5 millimeter plug-in, which if you still have like the older iPhone, say the iPhone 10, then you would normally get it with that. But if you have the iPhone 11, 12 or 13, unfortunately you would have to buy the adapter for that because they doesn't come with it. And I believe that is everything. So let's see, there's the instructions right here. So we usually have to say, look at this, some safety guide thing, but I believe that is all you're going to get really with this. So it looks like it's really just going to come with just the microphone and a cord to simply just plug into your headphone jack on your, or your mic jack on your computer or on your camera or on your Apple or Android device. And yeah, doesn't look like there's anything else. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually put this on this. So we're gonna try to figure out how this goes on. I'm assuming that you just clip this on. So that would probably go like through there, just like that. And then that goes like that. And well, that's pretty much it. And you just make sure it's set in, and you just put the, and there you go. So this is my new Rode VideoMic GO II mic. This is my old Takstar shotgun mic. Now as you can see, vastly different in size, smaller, much larger. This is a lot more or less more of a footprint on my cameras as opposed to this one. And I don't need a battery to actually use this. And again, to simply just use this with the headphone jack, you simply just plug that into that, and then that goes into your headphone jack on either your computer, your PC, or if you have a Mac, you would just simply plug it into your Mac headphone jacks because they still have those. And then on your camera, it simply just plugs into the 3.5 millimeter plug-in on your computer, or I'm sorry, on your camera. So that's everything for the unboxing of the Rode Wireless GO II mic. And even as you can see right here, tells you exactly what you get. The microphone, you get the camera mount, the windshield, and the SC14 cable, which again, that's what you use to plug in any of your 3.5 millimeter plugins. And that's it. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And thank everybody for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.